Unveiling the Handy Tool, the pipe clamp. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic that might be a bit different from our usual English language lessons. We're going to talk about a very specific term that's used in both everyday language and technical contexts, the pipe clamp. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, planning to work in construction, or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, understanding terms like this is incredibly useful. So, let's get clamped down on the details. Let's start with the basics. A pipe clamp is a type of clamp that's commonly used to secure or support pipes in various applications. This tool is not just a single item but comes as part of a clamping system, which includes the clamp itself, along with a gripping mechanism to hold pipes in place during construction or repair work. Pipe clamps are essential in ensuring that pipes don't move around and are firmly fixed to a spot. A pipe clamp typically consists of two main parts, the jaw and the screw. The jaw is the part that actually holds the pipe in place, while the screw is used to tighten or loosen the clamp, allowing for the adjustment to the size of the pipe being held. They can be made from various materials, such as metal, plastic, or rubber, depending on the use. Pipe clamps have a variety of uses. They're most commonly seen in plumbing to secure pipes to the walls or floors of a building. They're also used in woodworking, metalworking, and in any situation where pipes need to be held in place temporarily or permanently. Knowing about pipe clamps is useful for understanding instructions in manuals, shopping for hardware, or when engaging in conversations about construction and repair. When learning a language, it's important to expand your vocabulary across different subjects. The language of tools includes a vast array of terms specific to trades and activities. Terms like pipe clamp are just the beginning. By learning these, you can enhance your conversational skills and understand more about the practical aspects of the language. In this section, we can practice using the term pipe clamp in sentences. Make sure to tighten the pipe clamp to prevent water leakage. Can you hand me a pipe clamp from that toolbox? I need to buy pipe clamps for my next plumbing project. This kind of practice helps you get comfortable with new terms in context, making them a natural part of your English vocabulary. That wraps up our lesson on the term pipe clamp. I hope this has been an informative session for you and that you're now more familiar with this handy tool and its role in various tasks. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a continuous journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips and lessons.